In this video I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Jira. So what you need to do is open your account, and after that you will click on more over here in this list on the left side. There you will find the dashboard option. Once you have selected the dashboard option, then the dashboard overview will be opened. Now as you can see, we have a button over here where we can create a dashboard. So click on create dashboard, and after that we need to enter a name for our dashboard. So let's say we will call it dashboard 1. So after that you can enter some description into it, like this is our dashboard for YouTube videos. And now you can set the permissions. You can set it to private, so only you can view it. You can also set it to a project, a group, organization, or single users. For now I will leave it on private because I am going to use it and nobody else. And after that you can also set the permissions for the editors. Now the editor permissions you can change to all kinds of type of permissions, like the project, the group, users, or just for you. For now I will leave it on private, and after that you can click on save. As you can see, we have now created a new dashboard into Jira, and this is basically how you create a new dashboard in Jira. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.